gotta flex on them in the quadristeer. Yo, Chris, Maz, Smalls, I know you're a very loyal watcher. Anyways, yo, hit me up. I think I got a YouTube Premium for you for free. So I know you watch this, or the first one of my homies that hit me up that watches this, I got YouTube Premium for 3 months free. So any one of my homies that hit me up, text me and you can get this for free. Yeah, quadristeer up, done, up and running. Boy, what? Son. I almost got left on the side of the road because the heater hose broke off, but other than that, we're good. The Dana 60 rear axle swap is in and done. 03 quadristeer Suburban, 6-liter, four-wheel drive, rear steer on the thing. The roof lights, bro. That's what I'm most excited about. Done, over, finished, up and driving every day. Wasn't that bad. So $3K for the Suburban, $800 for the axle. That's it. I paid a little minuscule money for like filters and fluid changes and all that, and a bunch of hoses to replace, but we're not gonna worry about that. But that's it. Quadristeer up and running and driving. I gotta take all these stickers off. I'm not even like a big football dude like that, but we straight, dude. We are straight. I finally took it to the wash. You know, carpet's a little dirty. You know, I'm keeping extra coolant just cause, but we're good. I was going to the junkyard today to get me a GMC grill to do the Mexico front end on the 2-door, but that's about it, because the one I got doesn't fit. So another look around. Everything inside. I got my GoPro and my jump box, everything right there. Third row folded up. Rear controls work. Turn it up on you one time. Oh wait, do I not have it on? Oh, I got it off. Turn that for a second. So I had to spray all the water off because coolant busted everywhere, so it was gonna smell like coolant for a week. I'll turn this on real quick. Yeah. Get the microphone on that. Get the microphone on it. I don't care. But that's it. As you see it is how I got it, minus the wash. So I'm gonna take all the stickers off. Now that I washed it, I see a few little like door dings that are on it, but it's all good. Can't be mad. Can't be mad for $3 grand. So everything that's wrong with it right now, super minor. That's it. This thing is roadworthy for a minute. I'm talking about for a hot minute. I got to do some ball joints and some boring stuff that y'all don't want to hear. But still of the century. The last few videos I did, it was with the trans cooler, it was with the axle swap, it was with a whole bunch of other stuff that I was doing to it. But now it's all done and it's up and running. And this thing could bust a U-turn like nothing. So I'm right here. I'm gonna do it in the video. I'm gonna do it live. I'm up here straight, and I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna end up. So let me see. Man, I don't even know what direction I'm going with the video. I just wanted to show you that it's done and up and running. Super easy to work on. But oh god, don't look at that. But we chilling, you know what I'm saying? We chilling. I'm not gonna name the car. I don't really have names. I don't really do that kind of stuff. Kind of. I mean, my last one I named, but we're gonna do this all live. Oh, we got backup camera too, son. All right, so I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, we good. We chilling. Ugh. The last time I talked about it, I showed it off. I showed it off to the tool truck guy, and the damn heater hose popped off. Motherfucker. So I hope nothing happens. I'm treating the Suburban better than the fucking last person that had it, I think. All right. Here. That's what we're gonna start for reference. And I'm gonna bust a U-turn, and I'm gonna show you where it's gonna end up straight. And right now we're in 4-wheel. I'm gonna show you. Do I gotta show you? Do I gotta show you? Do I All right, here we go. I'm just happy to be driving my Bourbon again. We gonna bust this Yui. We gonna bust the Yui. And now we're straight. So, where'd that stick go? There it is. So that's where we ended up. This is where we started. And this is where we're at. It doesn't look like much, but from there to there is where we ended up. I'm gonna see if I can actually make the U-turn right here. This is pretty close to the edge. I'm just fucking off in this video. Guarantee you I can make it. We fucking made it. It actually made that U-turn from right there to right here. And we're in the same spot. Wow. So I can bust a Yui from here to there. It's actually pretty impressive. But using it all the time, the only downside to actually daily driving it, which is something I'm not even mad about because I knew what I was gonna get. I was gonna get a 454 Suburban, a 98, so I was already aware that was gonna suck a lot of gas. This one does suck a lot of gas, but I ain't tripping. I'm cool with it. I ain't tripping. But that's it. So derail cooler, everything was about 280. Axle was 800. Since I did the axle, I put pads and rotors in the rear because they were clapped. You probably got to do the same in the front, but overall, probably what's 3 plus 250. We're just gonna call that 33 plus 8, 41. It's not bad. Not bad. 177,000 on it, and total with everything, just over 41, whatever that number is. But I love it. This thing is, dude, I love driving this thing. I don't care that it chugs gas. I like the fact that there's like little odds and ends and stuff wrong with it, but it's just so rare. I'm trying to find out what the exact production number is for these things, because with total quadristeer, I think a total of 25,000 were made. And I think in Suburban trim, it was less than 1,500 that were made. So potentially, I have one of 1,500 or less Suburbans with quadristeer. So if anyone does know the actual fact, please let me, because there's been a few Facebook groups that throw the numbers around, but I don't know the exact number. But that's about it. Quadristeer is up and running. It is definitely the new daily, and now the 2-door is going to get swapped soon.